Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is my oral presentation for English literature. First of all, well told, introduce myself. Second, tell about my trip experience in Prague. Then, the weather in Prague. And finally, some recommendation which you want to Prague. Let's start. This is me. I am John Moreno. I was born in Ibagué and I also live in Ibagué. I am teacher in January. I am single and I live with my son and my mother. I had a dog. His name is Chocolate. I like riding bike. I like to go to the gym. I go to the church. Okay, let's continue with my trip experience in Prague. Well, on my last vacation, I went to Prague, the Iceland Sea of Colombia. I went there with my son. I spent 700,000 pesos for food, including in the price of the ticket plus the hotel and accommodation. I visited different islands there, and the sun and Cayman and Asian was the most beautiful place, and was the waterfall of love. The weather in Prague was marvelous. I like because every single day was sunny and rich. Now I am going to give you some tips you want to go to Prague. First important that you wear sunglasses and cap during the day. It's go ideas that you take about right in order to know the different islands on the map. It's better you climb mountain in the early morning. It is go ideal that you take marble college walk in the morning. It is recommended that you wear are always swimsuit in order to swim in the lake. It is important that you wake up early and see the most beautiful day of the world. If you plan to go to Prague, you should wear left clothing as vision, short trail, blue sandal on the days. It should burn a lot of sunscreen and cream. Show how to leave your car at house because someday you cannot find parking lots. You should eat fresh fish. At the finish, you should not swim drunk in the lake. You should not fish where it is not allowed. You shall not bear out the sun so loud because you can't get afraid that somebody. You shall not throw trash garbage in the lake. Okay, thanks, sir. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.